I've been using the Emirates NBD Classic credit card for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a practical choice for everyday banking in 2025. The Classic card is Emirates NBD's entry-level offering, designed for customers seeking a straightforward credit solution with essential features. One of its key benefits is the integration with the bank's rewards program, allowing users to earn points on purchases that can be redeemed for various offers and discounts. Additionally, the card supports installment plans, enabling 0% profit margin installment options for eligible purchases, which can be a helpful budgeting tool for larger expenses. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. While the card offers essential features, it lacks some of the premium perks found in higher-tier cards, such as airport lounge access or travel insurance. The fee structure is also something to be aware of. While the annual fee is relatively modest, it's important to understand all associated costs, including potential charges for late payments or cash advances. Customer feedback has been mixed, with some users appreciating the card's simplicity and integration with Emirates NBD's banking services, while others have noted limitations in customer support responsiveness and the clarity of the rewards program. In summary, the Emirates NBD Classic credit card serves as a solid, no-frills option for those seeking a basic credit card with access to a rewards program and installment plans. It's best suited for individuals who prioritize simplicity and integration with Emirates NBD's banking ecosystem. If you're considering this card, ensure you review the fee structure and assess whether its features align with your financial needs. I hope this review provided clarity. If it did, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.